Okay, welcome back. It is day 225, I think, of coding every single day. Um, the pretty didn't do like literally anything today, to be honest. Kind of just chilled out. Yeah, I went to lab like for like a brief moment to go check my model. It did all right. It's really good at classifying movement versus idling, which is good in itself, but it still is struggling, like hitting like 70% on average on like specific movements. Um, I think there's so much improvement that can be done, and I think I can get that close to like 90 or something like that, which would be amazing. Um, but but yeah, so like having it between like just movement and idle is it's something, I guess. The architecture change from just using an LSTM to using a CNN into an LSTM definitely helped a lot doing feature abstraction first before doing that like memory, like trying to remember window sequences. And um, so yeah, so tomorrow I'm probably gonna go back into lab for a little bit, reset the simulation, try to change some things to make animations more unique on within the data, and then run it overnight, and then Monday get back at it because I need to have the poster submitted Tuesday, and then ideally it'd be nice to have some like results on that poster. That'd be cool. So maybe I'll put a little more work in tomorrow. I should have ran the model over like tonight, but not the model, the simulation to collect better data. But um, other than that, I did my leak code, my easy leak code that I keep doing. Um, yeah, it was like a string manipulation one. Uh, it was just at the end of each word, there's like a number and it's a scattered array. You need to go through and you need to find the sequence that they want, and it's defined by the number at the end of each word. So I just looped through. I made it an array of just none values up until it said you could only have nine values in there or nine words. So initialize that, looped through, just like taking each word and throwing it in there, and then reconstructing based off of where it was placed in the array, and then just cleaning it up a little bit of like making sure there wasn't a space in between the front word. Again, you could do it a little cleaner, but I don't think there's anything. Again, I should look at it. Someone left a comment last time, which it's true. It's like I should be putting a little more effort into, even though it's 2 a.m. right now, and I just keep putting myself into this hole of like it's like 2 a.m. after I did stuff and just like pushed off this video, and I'm like I just want to go to bed, so I'm just gonna do an easy because I know I can like do that within like 5-10 minutes. Um, so yeah, that is really all I have though. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow for day I think 226. So yeah, take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Uh, Bye.